Good morning and Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I am your great free English literature teacher. Remember, we have started a new chapter, that is the Prince and the Pauper. In the first chapter, we studied that two children were born at the same time. One was Tom Canty. He was very poor boy, and on the other hand, on the same day, another boy was born, and that was a prince, Edward, and he belonged to the king family. So when Edward the prince was born, everyone was very happy and excited because he was going to be the king after his father. But when Tom Canty was born, he was very poor, so nobody was excited. And Tom Canty belonged to a poor family. His father was a thief, and his mother was a beggar, so begging was his profession. But he had got a very golden opportunity because he met a person, and that is the old priest, and who helped him to learn about prince and the princesses. And he was very much fortunate to learn about the prince, the princesses, and their way of living, their lifestyle, their costumes, and everything. So he had also a dream that he has become a prince one day, and but when he woke up from the dream, he was crying so much. Now the second part of the story is starting, and that is the pauper meets the prince. So now today we studied about the pauper meets the prince. Let's see what happens in this part of the story. What happens that it was uh, Popper's Tom Canty's way that every day he went for begging. So one day, as he was going for begging, he was so much away from his home that he didn't know where he was, and then he found that he was near the Prince gate. The next morning, Tom went out begging as usual, but he was still only half awake. His dream of the night before was still very bright and clear, and he didn't notice where he was going. When he looked around, he saw that he was a long way away from home. He went so far away while begging that he did not know where he was. He had left a crowded, dirty center of the city. Now the streets were wide, clean, and rich. Important lords and ladies lived in the beautiful stone houses. When he was gone away from the home, he found that he has come to a place where there are beautiful buildings and the people are so rich. They are wearing rich and clean clothes. So he thought now he is near to the prince's place. At last, Tom came to the great palace of Westminster where King Henry lived. He saw the high walls and the tall golden gates with soldiers standing stiffly on each side. A little crowd of people stood nearby. They were hoping to see the king. Now he was near the King Henry's palace, and that was the golden palace where soldiers were standing beside, and they were all people were waiting outside to meet the king. Now what happened that Tom also wanted to see the king because he was also very excited. So he also moved nearer, and then he saw that there was a boy, and the boy was also looking similar like him, and he was of his own age. He saw that the boy was dressed in very nice and good clothes like a prince. So and he was wearing the jewels, and he was dressed in silk shiny clothes with jewels, and he was wearing a red silk hat and having a silver sword by his side. So he at once recognized that he was the prince. Then what happened? The next thing that happened was that he was very excited, and he so pushed the golden gates just to enter and meet the prince. But as he was a poor person, poor beggar, so the soldier pushed him away, and the soldier told to get away, you young beggar, he shouted, and all the crowd started to laugh. But the young prince was very intelligent. He ran towards the gate. He didn't laugh at the boy, and he was very angry, and he shouted the soldiers that you don't do behave like this. with this poor boy, and so everyone cheered and became happy for the prince. And now he told the little Tom Canty, the poor boy, to enter the gate and come with him. And then Prince Edward took him to a beautiful room, his room, and served with the best of the food, chicken, bread, and fruit. And it was all served on a shiny table. The boy was, Tom Canty was so excited that while he was eating, Prince asked a few questions, but he was so busy in eating that he was hardly able to talk because his mouth was full. In this reference, you have to read these two pages carefully and try to understand what I have explained you. I hope you have understand the lesson. In this reference, I have given you to make 10 sentences to make, which are very easy and that you can get on the WhatsApp group, and make it very nicely. First you will make the index page and write the name of the chapter 2, the prince meet the the pauper meet the prince, and then you will write today's date, and then write the heading make sentences with blue, and then you will make the 10 sentences. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.